Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I am doing this long-awaited flip through of the new spring release totally neutral dashboard layout from the Happy Planner. This planner is a JoAnn exclusive, so it is quickly becoming the new unicorn of dashboard layouts. So when I saw a flip through, Jazz Up the Plan on Instagram had a quick flip through of this planner, I knew that I needed it. So I reached out on a Facebook group, and someone was kind enough in Utah to go to her JoAnn, pick it up, and mail it to me. The funny thing is, this planner should have been here about a week ago, but it actually took a quick vacation. It went all the way to Honolulu and then made its way back here to the South Carolina coast. So I've always wanted to go to Hawaii. My planner went for me instead. So anyways, let's do a flip through. Of course, like I said, this is a dashboard layout. I'm not really sure what the technical name for this planner is. I've just called it Happy Plans. So you can see on the front here, we've got these gold dots and black and white stripes with these pretty yellow plastic discs. I'm probably going to keep these plastic discs just because I like the yellow. And then it says Happy Plans on the front. So then we move on into the inside. So this planner really reminds me of, I don't know if you're familiar with, Stephanie Fleming came out with a, I think it was Stephanie's Happy Things or something like that. It was she had a vertical lined planner, not vertical lined. It was a vertical planner that was completely neutral. And the front cover kind of looked like this. So it was just this pretty rainbow. So then our front page says, I'm a happy planner. This planner belongs to, and of course this is an 18-month planner. All of the planners, I don't say all, most of the planners that are released in the spring from the Happy Planner are 18-month planners. So they start in July of the current year and go all the way to December of the next year. And I am probably, because I love this planner so much, going to go ahead and start using it now. I'm not sure yet, but I'll give you guys an update whenever I decide. So you can already see off the bat that this planner is neutral. We have black and white, and that's it. So we have 2021 and 2022 yearly calendars. And then we go into these pre-planning pages. I'm not sure of the correct term yet, but this is where I kind of pre-plan so that I don't write on my monthly pages until I have them decorated. So you can pre-plan birthdays and vacations and things like that on these pages. And then we go into July. So our first divider here says positivity is my superpower, and I'm really loving, if you've watched any of my other videos, these pretty rainbow colors with black and white just have my heart right now. I don't know why I'm into that, but I think they're so pretty. I think it's probably because I did the neutral planning thing for so long that I need some color in my life. So here's our monthly. We have is completely neutral blank over here except some dot grid, and then a totally black and white spread that we can decorate. Moving into the weekly pages, look at this. This is even better than the New Day dashboard layout. If you guys remember, this is an old one that I picked up on clearance, but the New Day still had a little bit of pink here, and we have the confetti, the black confetti up here. So this planner is totally neutral. There is nothing on this page except the gray shading. Gray shading is totally easy to work with when you're decorating. So I think that, so yeah, on the third page here, about every 3 pages, you're going to have a little quote down in this focus box. I'm not crazy about it, but it's completely workable. You could definitely decorate it or leave it as is. So anyways, these are our weekly pages. And then let's just go over, so here's your currently page. We saw that in July too. I'm going to start decorating my currently pages as well and have videos for you guys. I've never really used these, but I do kind of want to start using them maybe for memory planning. So this is kind of a blank slate that you could do anything on. So be looking for those videos. My first one will start with an April currently page. So now we're just going to go through dividers. This is August. Happy to be you. I am enough. I am worthy. I am strong. I am beautiful. I am smart. I believe I am. I deserve. I want to be. You do you. Real is beautiful. And so am I. And then you can see that we're still totally neutral on the pages. So then we have September. It's just black and white with some gold hearts. Love it. Oh, October has an orange tab, and then it's got the same rainbow stripes that kind of match the inside covers. This says Goal, Plan, Evaluate, Repeat. November has a yellow tab, Celebrate the Simple Things in Life, and we've got some gold dots with some rainbow dots. December, I love these colors. We have like a Venn diagram, Balance, Happiness, and Boundaries. So those together, and you've got happiness, black and white stripes with some yellow like crosses here. Then we have January is yellow with this real pretty teal tab. I love these colors together. I should probably do a spread with these colors. You are entirely up to you. Then we have February, Purpose, Planning, Positivity, Persistence, Happy Life. And we have gold dot little squares in the background here. Then we have March. I love this. This is like the cover of Stephanie's book, Plan a Happy Life. I just love the black and white stripes with the rainbow colors. And this is the cover of the mini planner that's in this same line. It says, Define your passion, nurture your creativity, and take hold of your dreams. This is a quote by Stephanie Fleming with a pink heart underneath. And we've got the black hearts all around. The mini planner that matches this, though, is, I believe it's a vertical layout, so I did not buy it. I don't use a vertical layout for my mini. And then we just have this gold foil here on this divider for May. This is really cute. Just a little pattern here with different rainbow colors, black and white, for June. July says, Happiness, create space for happiness to happen. I love that, and it's got gold foiling on it. August, love this divider. Think happy, plan happy, be happy. September just says happy plans over and over. I still love this divider. Very simple, but very cute. October is black with gold hearts. And then November, gratitude changes everything. So this is a very fitting divider for our November thankfulness month of gratitude. And then we have December. It says think positive with this really cute black and white pattern behind it. And then our last page just says happy notes. And our inside back cover, Plan a Happy Life with the rainbow stripes. And then this is what the back cover looks like. So don't be surprised if you see me using this planner right away. And maybe even franken-planning to go ahead and use some of the weekly layouts. Like you could probably take some months from 2022 and line up the dates so that you could go ahead and start using it. And I may do that. I'm not sure yet. I don't know if I can wait till July. That's a long time. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this flip through. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you would consider subscribing. And this is it. I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.